Avery Design and Print Online makes it easy to create personalized labels, cards, dividers, and more. Just select your Avery product and choose from a wide variety of pre-designed templates, or you can start from scratch with a blank. After you choose a template, just type your text in the middle of the screen. Use the menu on the left to change the font style and size, or to add images and logos. You can automatically import from a spreadsheet for big mailings, or name tags and other projects. Print using your desktop printer, or Avery WePrint can print many products for you. Save your project to a free online account for easy access from any device. Need help? Look for videos inside Design and Print's Help menu. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.